So, bro, so today, I'm gonna show you how to make a drink that's gonna garner you massive quantities of poon. So first you're gonna want to get your vodka and just fucking go for it, man. Just send it, all right? So just, do however much you want. That's probably good, all right? So next, you're gonna wanna get your fucking seltzer water, dude. And you're gonna wanna splash some of that seltzer water. All right, so you're gonna just throw a splash of this seltzer water in there, all right? You don't wanna water it down, bro. So just a bit. You want it to bubble and all, fancy shit, but don't water it down, bro. All right, so finally you're gonna want to get some olives. All right, to just garnish this shit. Girls, they fucking love the garnish. And bro, you show up with fucking garnish in your drink, all right, that's massive quantities of poon. All right, so just fucking open the jar, all right? Just fucking open the jar, all right? Just fucking open the jar, all right? I'm so fucking So bro, that's pretty much it, and it's fucking gas.